Hello, is it me you're looking for? What's up, guys? It is Mo or Coach Mo, whatever you know me as. I am here today to just real quickly go over a easy step-by-step system, the autopilot system that you see me raving about online, and I'm just going to give you a brief just summary of what I'm doing. So if you are looking at my screen now, you see the power lead system, the old but goodie. I know you've heard of them. And they have been around for a long time, so they are very trustworthy. And we have instilled some new tools that have made the system go on crack, basically. It is creating results for literally everyone. I am looking into my group right now that I have going, and literally everyone is having amazing results with our team, with our tools, with the new effective step-by-step system that we have in place. Um, and the way Power Lead system works, it is a sales funnel that allows you to put whatever business you can connect this with an existing business, or, which is what I do and we all are doing, is promoting Power Lead System ourselves. And it is going to allow you to put your business on autopilot. I mean, there are literally people making thousands without ever talking to anyone. And that is unheard of. People say that, but I have yet to find a system that does that besides this one. So, other than that, it allows you to get free leads, paid for leads, what have you. If you are just looking to bring more business to the company you are already with, this is the place to be. But if you are also a new beginner online and you're just looking for something duplicatable, this is also the place for you. So it is a great pool for all of us to jump in right now. It is promoting amazing results right now, I have to say. And other than that, if you have any questions, if you are looking to create a full-time income, $100 to $300 a day, or $1,500 a month, whatever your goal is, talk to me. I can hook you up, okay? The link is profitwithmo.com, PROFIT with WITH, mo.com. If you want to go ahead and write me on Facebook, if you want to write me on here, um, whatever, if you have any further questions, you want to take a peek into our group and see the live amazing results, whatever you want, hit me up. I will tell you more. I will get you going. Or if you are a go-getter and you just want to get started, check out that link and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.